video on the go. Don't worry, I'm not driving. It's Thursday, and I have practically no homework, which is really amazing. And I don't know what I'm going to do with myself. I'm going to have fun. Whoa. I don't know. Yeah. Today I watched a movie in 4 out of 6 of my classes, except 2 of them were kind of upsetting, and the other ones were okay. In math class we're watching 21 with Jim Sturgis, so that's very exciting. Megan, I watched your video yesterday, and I don't know if you saw yet, but I responded, so you should check that out. I really liked it. Quality work. I really don't have much to say. Yeah. I'm sorry. This will just be short. So, have a great Friday. I will have a great Friday. And Maddie, you're playing Capture the Flag? That's going to be awesome. Tell me how that is. I will come next time. And Megan, you know. Yeah. And have a good weekend. I forgot about the animal thing. So, let's just pretend that I am a parrot. And I'm a parrot because I am rainbow colored. See? Red. This is where orange will be. Yellow. Green. Blue. I'm gonna get the orange from Maddie, and then I shall be rainbow. Except for purple. That is my excitement of the day. Yay! I have a really exciting life. Alright, now it's bye for reals. I don't know why I said for reals. I'm a dork. Nerd. Whatever. Whatever the proper term is. I can't even speak right now. Good night.